Good evening everyone, we're going to present you our flowchart. Before I start, I would like to introduce to you our group members, De Leon, Paderan, and Espiritu. Start things off, we begin by setting everything to 0, so the calculator has a clean state. We've also got two placeholders, one for the operation we want to do, and one for whether we want to run it again later. Get the first number to the calculator, enters first number if you want to type isn't actually a number. It politely says, please try again later. That's a number and keep asking you until you give a proper number. And for the third one, get the second number, same deal as the deal first one. It also asks for the second number if you give it something, that's a not number. It nudges you to try again until you type 1. And for the fourth one, pick you to what to do. You get a menu of choices, A for addition, S for subtraction, M for multiplication, D for division, and R for remainder, or the modulo. You can use proper lowercase letters, calculator doesn't mind. So this is our other flowcharts, and this one. So do the math, say it's undefined, please try again. Then ask for a new second number until it's not 0. So this is the one that we're going need to do. Operator A and result num1 plus num2. And for the last one is ask if you want to do another. So go the calculator, ask do you want to start a new calculation? Or if you say Y, it looks back and starts fresh. If you say N, it politely ends. If you type something, it says invalid input. Try again. Thanks. And for the summary of our lesson, enter first number or re-enter if not a number. Enter second number, re-enter if not a number. Choose operation A, add, S for subtraction, M for multiply, D divide, and R for remainder. If D or R and second number or 0, re-enter until 0. Show result and ask new calculator. And repeat the same process until it's try again. So thank you for listening and hope you see us in next video.